If you've ever wondered how to save drafts and continue editing later in CapCut, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how CapCut saves your work, how to close the editor properly, and how to reopen your project later without losing your progress. This is a super useful tip if you're editing a video in stages, taking a break, or just want to come back later and keep working from the same spot. If this video helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials. Let's get into it. First, it's important to understand that on CapCut PC, there is no manual save button. That's because CapCut automatically saves your project in real time every time you make a change. So whether you move clips, trim footage, add text, apply effects or adjust audio, CapCut is saving those edits as you work. That means you do not need to keep clicking save like you would in some other editing apps. Your progress is being stored locally as you go. Now, if you want to stop editing and continue later, the safest way to do it is to close the editor properly. You can do that by clicking the menu in the top left corner and selecting Back to Homepage. This takes you out of the editing timeline and back to the main CapCut screen. Or, if you prefer, you can simply click the X button to close CapCut completely. Either way, CapCut will commit your timeline changes to your local drive automatically. This is the key part. Once you close the app, your draft is not gone. CapCut has already saved the project for you in the background. So even if you leave in the middle of editing, your work should still be there when you come back. Just make sure you let the app close normally and avoid forcing it to quit during a task if you can help it. When you're ready to continue editing later, just reopen CapCut PC. On the home screen, look for the Projects tab. Your saved project file should be waiting there. All you need to do is click on it, and CapCut will load your draft exactly where you left off. You can pick up right back in the timeline, continue making changes, and keep building your video without starting over. This workflow is really helpful for longer edits, especially if you're working on a full YouTube video, a short-form clip, or a project that takes multiple sessions to finish. Instead of worrying about exporting or manually saving copies, you can simply close the editor, come back later, and resume from your saved project. It makes the whole editing process much easier and more efficient. Just remember the simple formula: make your edits, close CapCut normally, then reopen the project from the Projects tab when you're ready to continue. That's how you save drafts and continue editing later in CapCut PC. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tips, tutorials, and editing shortcuts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.